were going up this hill and I passed and I was like, morning, super passive aggressive when I passed it.
That's awesome.
I got so tired, the hill was so steep, and he fucking like raced right past me, dude. I've been trying to catch up with him ever since, and I was like, ah, fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna let him go. I gotta check my phone and see where Will is.
Yeah, tell him, I'm meeting a friend, that's why I'm stopping.
You're not faster than me, I promise. Dude.
On our way to San Diego.
Dude. Y'all going to
have fun at Weaver. Why didn't you just ask us where we were going, dude? That was fucked up. Y'all going to Weaver? Like, oh yeah, you too. No, I'm going to Jenner. All right, bro. Thanks.
So good. Dude, are you hungry? I have a fig bar.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's
I'm very tired. I might take a quick like 2-hour nap if that's cool.
Like right now? Dude, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, dude.
This is like a lot of work for like...
Oh, that's fine. This is gonna be a lot of work. Getting here is fine, dude. I drove here. It's super chill, actually.
Did you drive here?
I drove, yeah. But Rachel drove back.
Oh.
I drove with Rachel as passenger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Damn, thank you.
Yeah, well, whatever. It literally was 40 minutes. Maybe a little bit less, actually, because we got there early. It was like 35.
Yeah.
That's easy.
That's were you waiting long?
I got there at like 7:38.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever.
Don't.
I think this is, can you tell this is recording? Do you see like a thing in the back?
It's,
Tap on
yeah,
it.
there's a red light on.
Okay.
Oh yeah, dude.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, dude.
I tried to record my bike ride to like the boat center near my house, and like I got back and it just like wasn't recording the whole time. It's like, all right.
What's the point? Dude, it's been beautiful so far. Like, holy
great.
Shit.
Okay.
Started out in the redwoods.
Chill. Let me pull up maps real quick.
And then along the mat. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I have like my thing going.
275.
275 Coleridge.
I might just like stop in the Presidio and be like, you know, we made it.
Yeah, dude.
The city.
Whatever, yeah, dude. Whatever. So
right.
we should probably check because the map that is, are the maps different?
Oh, I have the Google Maps.
So the Google Maps kept on taking me on these like dirt paths, like mountain biking paths.
Oh, maybe it thinks
like,
you're biking.
Kind of concerned about.
That's fair.
Let me see what the route. It's hard because it's like.
I feel like until we, you know, on this side of the bridge, it's all like a road bike path, for sure. So once we get to the bridge, it's like, who knows what they try to do there.
Okay, cool.
But.
So it looks like
Yeah, I think there's like, from here, there's pretty much one path to the bridge.
We just go all the way down.
We just like go on this bridgeway
There's
to
like
the bridge.
Club Drive. It looks like that's the first turn.
Club Drive?
Oh no, 2nd Street, sorry.
Oh yeah, turn left on the 2nd Street.
2nd Street.
You'll probably be way ahead of me, dude. I can probably just see you.
Dude,
be okay. I'll probably just be able to look and see. That's where he went.
And then I have this like other weird turn here.
What?
Where?
We're going this way though, right?
Yeah, if you,
Alright.
like, yeah, ultimately south.
Down.
It looks like there should be signs for the Golden Gate Bridge. I saw my first sign for the Golden Gate Bridge.
What?
Oh,
There you go.
No, it's backwards, dude.
We're going that way though, dude. No, we're not going that way.
We're going down, dude. We're going this way.
That way, dude, yeah.
Yeah, we're up here.
But we're looking that way though.
Oh,
Your
yeah,
phone
yeah.
is saying go that way.
Oh,
Yeah. But that way, dude, that's that way. Yeah.
no, dude, that's zoom out.
There you go.
No.
That way, dude. We're going. I want to bike this direction where I'm pointing, dude. You can bike that way if you want.
Let's do it. Let's go, dude.
All right.
And this is the
Yeah, that way. I know what's going on. Oh yeah, I don't have a cage, which is why I have a backpack.
what? Yeah, I need this. Otherwise, yeah. I popped the t-shirt out for you, dude.
I know, but over the bike things. It's not chill, dude.
I got you.
Because people can still tell you're wearing that. And you're not in a race, dude. You lost to an old man. Come on.
That old dude definitely didn't think I was good.
Did he have a bike shirt on? He did? Okay, yeah, that's why it was so fast, dude.
He probably had like a $5,000 bike, $10,000 bike.
Yeah. It's probably the shirt that helps with the speed though, dude, more than anything.
Honestly, dude, it probably was the shirt. Yeah.
As he's beating you, dude. Take off that t-shirt.
Dude, I love it.
That cotton weight.
I had so much confidence, dude. Like, morning up past them, we were going up like in the middle of like a really fat hill. And I got super tired, dude, before the top. And he literally was like, off 5
He's gonna like pay his grandson to find you when you're old though, dude, and his grandson is gonna smoke you.
Oh, this was that's the biker stop.
What?
That's the biker stop.
That's the bike shop?
That's the biker stop.
The
dude.
biker
Yeah,
stop,
the biker
okay.
stop.
There's like a Mike's Bike somewhere around here that's pretty close by.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we already passed it even.
I was at a place called Mike's Bikes in Los Gatos.
Oh yeah, there's like the big bike rental place in the Bay Area.
Dude, that ride was the worst.
So where'd you go from Santa Cruz to where?
We went from the campsite, like it was technically Los Gatos. It was like halfway up. Did you know there's a road called like Old San Jose Road or Old SoCal Road?
Like that's instead of the 17?
Instead of the 17.
I had to take it on a car one time because the 17 had like a fire on it.
Oh shit, yeah.
So yeah.
It was up that road, like
Oh,
halfway
wow,
between
dude.
Santa Cruz and Los Gatos
Pass.
was the campsite.
Yeah.
I was going from the campsite to Half Moon Bay or something. And I basically like got a flat tire kind of in the middle of Old San Jose Road, 8 miles from Los Gatos, New York City,
Shitty.
with no cell service,
Shitty, yeah.
and no air pump.
Nice.
So I just like walked my bike for 3 hours. Or no, I walked my bike for probably an hour.
Yeah.
And then like I found another biker who had a pump, and he like verbally, he was like so pissed at me that I didn't know how to change my tire, dude.
Oh yeah. Do you have like tire levers or whatever?
I did, I had all the stuff except for a pump.
Oh, okay.
And
So you know how, you just couldn't.
I couldn't, and he was like, so you already changed the tube, right? Oh no, I haven't touched it. Like I don't have any way to put air in it, so I didn't start messing around with it. So I walked it. He was like, didn't hear me, I guess, or I don't know. And then just like started pumping it up, or going to try and pump it up. And I was like, oh no, like the messed up tube is still in there. He's like, what? You haven't done this? Like I'm on a group ride. I can't spend my whole morning here with you teaching me how to change tires.
That's such a dick move, dude.
Then don't stop. Like
Yeah, it's fine.
I just asked. Say no, dude.
Like you can't be an average Samaritan. You can either be a good Samaritan or a bad Samaritan, dude. You can't be like a C- Samaritan.
So, but basically, like, I was already, the route I was walking, there was no way to get from there without hopping on 17, I guess. But Google Maps kept on taking me on these dirt, like, mountain bike paths that I
Sick,
couldn't
yeah.
ride on. So I was walking my bike the whole time. And at one point, I was, like, literally on an on-ramp to the 17. Nope. It's not gonna work for me.
I guess whoever like does the coding for the bike part of the app is probably just like a mountain biker.
Yeah, I mean, I think at least, yeah. I don't know if there's, I'm sure there's a way to be like, I want a road bike and not a mountain bike.
I think not on Google Maps. Because
Yeah,
their bike thing's technically still like in beta, even though it's been like 6 years.
Oh, really?
So yeah, there's like a cautionary, whatever they call it, advisement statements when you like look at it on the computer. It says like, this is still in beta, and please confirm the route, and blah blah blah.
Oh, really? So on the app that I was using, I think I tried to invite you to it. I don't know if that worked.
Komoot or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a car behind
It had like kilometers and shit, dude. I was like, I don't know.
me. But there was a setting for road.
Huh?
But there was a setting for road.
Oh yeah. But I think when he said it to me, it said like danger, like some portions of this route aren't suited for your sport.
I think that was early on. There's a way to, you can like look and see which part you're coming from. It separates it by like paved, asphalt, dirt, you know?
Oh, okay, yeah.
And that was like really, it was like at the campsite.
Oh, word, yeah, there you go. We'll edit out all those talking and put like a Lana Del Rey remix in the video.
Okay. I mean, a lot of Del Rey stuff. Shit.
Left here?
Yeah. 2nd Street.
Boom.
Nice.
Woo, that was a climb. All right, we're good, dude. We made it, dude, SF. copy.
What's fucked up?
Huh?
What's fucked up is you're gonna crush me on all these hills.
No, dude.
Because you're gonna be in a higher gear. You're gonna crush me or we're gonna walk.
I'm like a short distance runner though, so it's like, that was all I have in the tank, you know what I mean? That's it.
Yeah, dude,
I was like, all right.
big hill in the beginning.
That was it, right?
It didn't look what?
All right, is this it right here? I definitely am a yeller.
Only 15 miles an hour, dude.
Oh, my bad, dude. Let me switch gears. Just go slower. I think for the video I can like play it at 1.25 speed. So it just seems like we're crushing it, you know?
Just be like auto-tuned yells like that.
Speaking of auto-tune, did we already talk about this?
That, what?
Usher?
And T-Pain?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
sad.
That was crazy. That, all that did, that, you remember that Netflix thing, right?
Oh, I didn't actually see the Netflix thing, but yeah.
All that really did
Fuck,
was
dude.
remind me how much I love T-Pain, dude. You need to go ahead, dude.
Oh yeah, I'll let you know, dude.
I mean,
If I need it. If at any point I'm just like, you know what, I need to fucking go faster.
what's hard is like to go slower uphill, you know?
Yeah, dude. I think maybe it's just hard to go uphill.
I thought it said time, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's the city right there. This is a bold move to do this without gears, dude.
Well, I only have the low gear, dude, so it's chill.
Oh, that's better, actually.
I don't know if that's true.
That definitely is true. I'd much rather have a low gear than a high gear.
Oh no, I mean, I don't know if it's true if I only have a low gear.
That was my first time
Nice. What? The bridge we built in the city. It looks to be like higher than we are currently though. That's the only problem.
Higher?
Yeah. They're fun.
I guess I have yours. Huh? And this is the video footage I wanted.
I swear the bike's not going, dude. Like, I'm pushing with my feet. Go, dude. I think there, dude. No? I think we gotta go this way, yeah. I think it takes us to the bridge, but
Okay.
it's like a down, yeah.
Yeah, oh, no bicycles down this point?
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. I just yelled, nope. That's correct. You want to ride or walk?
Oh, we can ride. Yeah. Wait, what were the options? Oh, psych, dude.
Yeah,
Fuck.
that seems appropriate.
Oh, God. Are we going the right way?
My thing's saying no.
Should we have turned right there? Is that what we're supposed to do?
Onto the freeway though? I mean,
I think there's like a parking thing right here. Yeah, it's this way. Turn right at the first stop sign. Go down the stairs, dude.
bicycles only. Should we go this way?
Huh? Oh, it says bikes.
Oh yeah, you're right. Nice catch, dude. Good thing we rode up that hill.
Oh, you could have got down this, dude, right here. What's up, dude? And that's outside clear for you, just so you could do that.
Let's take a photo real quick.
All the way from 4 miles ago, dude. I made it.
Bro!
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
That's the bridge, dude!
Alright.
I'm so stoked.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, look at that. There. Alright. Let's get it.
You think it's gonna be windy, dude?
Huh?
You think it's gonna be windy?
No, we're gonna be under the bridge.
Oh, we go all the way under?
Oh!
I think it might have taken us around and up to that way over there.
Maybe. What? Am I still going the wrong way, dude?
Better or worse?
No, this isn't it. My bad, dude.
Where does this go? It
Sorry.
looks like
All right, this looks legit. Oh, there we go. We'll follow these guys to make sure.
Let's follow these guys.
Woo! We did it! Where do we go? Nope. I went the wrong way.
Huh?
This is the wrong way.
Yeah, I think it's back there.
Alright. Should we just bike that way?
Yeah. Is it the wrong way? Yeah, I think it is.
I mean, you can bike down that if you want, dude.
Dude, that was fun.
Yeah, it was cool.
It was so windy. It's nicer than I thought. I didn't think of that as a way that people like to walk. Bike to be
I mean, they're all like on fitness walks. They're not like walking to the store or something. But yeah, especially in the summer, it's like, you know, the most famous part of the Bay Area. Down here? Huh? We're going to San Francisco.
San Francisco?
Yeah. This way. Thank you.
You go over there, but the straight thing to left.
Thank you. said, yeah, I'll go this way. It says don't enter, but like, I don't know. Beautiful dog.
Thank you.
I know, right? This is crazy. It's like the one non-cloudy day in San Francisco.
I know, right? And it's summer too. Like it's cloudy everywhere, right? I'm sure we'll hit the clouds at some point.
What's that sound, dude? Oh yeah. Wow.
I got you.
20 bucks, dude? Diagnosis? What?
I got a right turn coming up here.
I have a left in .4. How many miles does yours say total left?
It says that I've gone 28.8.
Let's go this way. Yeah, fuck that. I'm sure we'll just pay for it later, but whatever.
I'm sure we will.
Y'all going to Weaver? All right, next big pack that passes us, we gotta yell, all right, halfway to San Diego. So they think we just came from like hella far.
Halfway.
Woo, halfway point.
When did we start? Days ago, dude.
Just, yeah, a little bit north of Humboldt, dude. You know what I mean? Just taking the coastal route.
Should we go on the bypass, dude?
Oh, maybe, yeah. Why not, dude? Fuck it. He's gotta stop. He's gotta stop. How much are boats, dude? No, I mean like if we just wanted to like own a boat. How much would that be?
How much money?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, dude. I feel like it's super expensive just to like let it stay here.
Like that's like a per month though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's like monthly.
Like $100 a month, 150.
That's still money, dude.
That's like not a lot of money though.
$100 a month? No way, dude. For sure worth that.
200, dude?
It's gotta be more than a car payment.
No, just to hold the boat here.
For sure, dude.
Nah, dude, come on.
Then like a regular.
Maybe this specific one because it's like nice and in the city, but there's probably, you know, other ones in the bay that are cheaper.
I'd say at least 2 or 300 a month,
Maybe 2.
dude. So we're totally like.
Oh, fuck.
Alright. Application is like not rerouting.
It's like you're just lost, dude.
I trust you, dude.
Mine says we're going the right way, dude.
Perfect. Alright, I'm on it.
5.7 miles to go. Does that sound right?
I mean, it's not that big, right? It's only 11 miles by 11, right?
It's like bigger than all of like New York and the 5 boroughs, right?
Bigger?
I think so.
Really?
That's how small New York is, dude.
I thought it was
It's like Manhattan and at least 3 other boroughs can fit all inside San Francisco.
oh, wow. I thought it was like 11 by 11.
Like feet or? Let me get a 2x4, dude. That's 3/4 of San Francisco. $5 at Home Depot. If you want to rent it, then it's, you know, $3,000 a month.
I rent San Francisco. I'd like to rent San Francisco, please. 275 Coleridge, right?
Huh?
Well, that's a good one.
I have a right on Laguna in 0.3 miles.
0.3?
Yeah. Smoked her, dude. San Francisco's pretty, dude. Why do I hate it so much?
What's that?
So San Francisco is pretty. Why do I hate it so much?
Yeah, I feel that actually. I
It's like,
do
wait,
feel
what?
that. Yeah. Like, it is really pretty.
Yeah.
But also it's just like, it
There's like a super cute dog, a skateboarder. You know what I mean? Got him. Huh? Oh, for sure, dude. I made it turn green. I got the green out. I called ahead, dude. I was like, hey, it's Will. We're, I'm gonna head out soon. This says to not go up, actually. Do you want to take a break?
How you feel, dude?
I'm good. This is the fun part, dude. It's flat. Once we get to the bottom of the hill, dude, fat break.
Okay, cool, perfect.
Then also at the top of the hill.
Yeah, I feel like the top of the hill is moved. Or maybe right before.
Yeah, I mean both, dude. All right, straight, one more block, and then left. Yeah, I guess. That's not what I said, but it works. It rerouted us, and now we're going this way. Huh?
Maybe I should put this in my phone too, huh?
Oh, maybe.
Actually, yeah, is that okay?
Put what?
Yeah, it's okay. I would put it in my phone.
Okay. Same, 5 miles exactly. 5.0.
Dope.
Which I feel like means they expect us to bike pretty slow.
Base.
So I have straight and then a right on,
At the Galileo Academy of...
yeah, Polk Street.
Alright, cool. Where's Bay Street?
This is Bay Street's right here.
Oh,
So we can either take the street up or take the path up.
you wanna take the path?
Yeah, let's do the path. All right, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's do 8 pull-ups. With the bike, dude.
With the bike.
Turn right at the next street.